Here is lesson 38 for clarinet. We will play numbers 85, 86, and 87. Alright, you should have already looked through, you should be familiar with everything we're about to review. As you've looked through these three exercises, you've noticed a couple things. One, your two new notes, which we're about to go over. You know the first line, 85, is in 3/4, so there's 3 beats per measure. You know 86 and 87 are in 4/4, or common time, which is 4 beats per measure. You know the end of line 85 has a repeat. You are aware of your slurs. You are aware of your changing dynamics, accents, lots of stuff to look for, but you know all of those now. Okay, so for 85, we have 2 new notes. If you've gone through your scales, these are new notes for you. But in case you haven't, let's go over our A. It is thumb, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That is your A. For G, it's the same thing. You just add that third finger. That's your G. All right, here we go. Let's play number 85. 1, ready. Alright, did you remember the repeat? If not, you should have marked it so you won't forget. Circle it, highlight it, do something so you know that you have repeat. Your last note, your B flat, 4 beats long, correct? That's a dotted half note, so that's 3 beats, and that quarter note is the 4th beat. So you should play for 4 full beats and then cut off. Don't stop right on beat 1 of that last measure. Go all the way through beat 1. We've talked about holding through on notes in class. Alright, now number 86. We have changing dynamics. Those breath marks are optional. Okay? You should be able to get all the way to that half rest in one breath. And then you should be able to get all the way to the fermata in one breath. Alright, here we go. 86. 1, 2, ready. Alright, that's number 86. Did you get your dynamic changes? Okay? If you did, good. Alright, before we get to 87, let's go over our code phrase, and that is long tones. You know all about long tones. They help you warm up. They make you sound better by giving you better tone quality the more you do them. It's something that we do very often, and you should do even more often. So, long tones is your code phrase. Alright, here we go, 87. Same thing, you should be able to make it to that half rest in one breath. Here we go, 1, 2, ready. Did you tap your foot? Did you count? If you didn't do all that, then you have not learned very much in all these lessons we've had. Okay? That was lesson 38. Thanks for joining me.